Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to change your Kijiji account password. So if you want to change your Kijiji account password, first of all you have to open up your Kijiji website. So after opening up your account, tap on your profile picture which is on the top left, and then tap on account setting. After tapping on account settings, it will take you to a page where you can find your details. And you should come up to your password and you can find change option near your password. Tap on that option, and after tapping on change, you can see you have to enter your current password and then enter your new password. So first enter your current password and then enter your new password. And after entering your new password, you have to re-enter that same password in the third blank. And after filling that, tap on change password. And after tapping on change password, you can see your password has been changed. So this is how you change your password in your Kijiji account. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.